dele ta kesinga manga so lomsin tangbo te dozare lomsin niwa dozare ani ta lomsin samba dogro tandandela digi charngu la sharde de lomsin niwa ge nanjong re ro tanga chun samte lomsin niwa de kawani zore dan shotan chor jin ta ne zor ta lomsin niwa ge nanjong te kesinga manga chorani la nanjong chi ta sheja yo na shi ro ani su chia chi dan di nanjong te chirtangi dong ting ko ya pu chu me tikur she ko reading comprehensions zamba ta ti dong ting ko len tang yo o tindela she ke re ta ti nanjong shita ka bo yo ma re tela ta gi kse ngama ge nanjong chi tang she ja ju tela ta gi che na lam san chu ni re ta ngo chen re te lam chen samba tang de yo ke ma che ta so tang bo chin ro ani ma che de yo ke ma che ta so ji la ani ma che te tang de wi en zhong yong ge ro o tin zu ta ba ta nga chu lam chen samba tang de wi ani ma che ta so de shi che ke nda o tan de la de unity akarsa unit la zamba tan dan di lam chen chi ro tani word le zamba ani thanyi chi list zamba ani de chi to ro chi ro ta thanyi ke to jong ro se ne re o tin chi dang list se to jong ta tin la ro ta word list zamba ta thanyi ke to jong ro rang jing cha tin do o ta ti ki ani ki man chi tang bu de kar sa na alien se ta re chi tang alien se de ani cha chi man chi gen chi tu sa mi nang ge man chi ba chi Matsu yinba countries ha kukure sinandila en tijab jayo indi ki noun siya tin tsongo rwa o tin zambati matsu kinson chi chi te indu zambata ndiki elin siya te matsu chik reyesi ani poke nangla kar reyesi na ani langchen jengi mo siya tila ani elin siya langchen jengi mo te poke nangla chi dana parka kana langchen jengi mo ganda wachik dindwa o dandiki kogi nangtun te inji countries shekindu sina An alien is a creature from a different world. Alien siyate a creature zamba semjin chigres or. Ani from a different world zamba. Ani zamlang jimba gi ani semjin chigres or. Different zamba jimba rawa words zamba zamling rawa. On zamling sinata urita langtin zina yakrawa zamling lana ya. This is marita different words zaman jikte jeng nya te la langchen jeng nya te langchen zina yang de komando kola jeng nya zina ta ta ren do o da tin de tamba o kola jeng nya chi la alien secrets ani the alien came in peace ani came la na le pa gro kam gandi tsiro in peace la zama shidi toni yongwa res ani langchen jeng mate karsan jikten jeng senare kola jeng mate shidi ngani lepa res come in peace la zama shidi ngani lepa ta jing mang chik ta de ngo ton ta tsap ta de ngo ton yong me ba tikla come in peace gro peace na shidi ro tichi ta among se ate ani Motsila yewa yupi nani ko preposition ziyate ko trechik reyes among ziyate. Oda among ziyate poke nana karse korsina. Chima la, chi la ziyate la among zikr. Ta korangi ni tiki nantun te kanendishi jabshasana. If you are among certain things, certain la chingdo andala, certain ziyate karsina. Ngichinchik ziyate kaso poke toni, certain ziyate ngichinchik. Things, ane. Things la changu ta changu la ro tande la de kore if you are among certain things zamba kesi chorang changu ngi chin chi chi ma la yo nas among tra they are around you ani changu te ta de la da changu te ta are around you changu te ta chorang gen thangkur la yo re around sun thangkur o tanda ba changu te ta chama all sun chama do ra 아니 기지 저랑 장군이 제지 기트나요나 장군에서 정말 저랑 다콜라요 레자 치든지 아니 there was a red apple among the green ones there was a red apple 텔라 아니 구슈마 보칭도 스로 콜란도 among the green ones 랑곰보티소 가링곰보티소 구슈곰보 장구티소 green 라 장구로와 green 구슈 장구티소 짐지라 Only Kushimao knows that there was a red apple among the green ones. Tichi Any chart. A chart is a list of information. The chart is the anko manchichi. Chart is the then the engine under a chart is a list of information. Information is a nature do chita ta jacha do ta tinchila information is a that the nitang mambuchi tola chart is penna mambur petang do ta ngobun da imba na manshu jankun de na manshu ni ando ani manshu samba dito ni ta pejana Matang Mangshu de the counter Jajan Son Chick and Dig and Sontong Row down counter Nitzer Mambuchi Survey Tojong Row down the Digila and the chart secretaries. A chart is a list of information. List not thinking as an Roswa list at the Tojong Row. A list of information. Information about Nitzer Nitang Tapena Tenshu Mamburian by Namburka Katsi Mambo ane pechana losho la katse yome, ane chancho la katse yome, tendin tsomba ge, ane digi nitan tsomba ge, tojong chi la chart sena chigdwa o di chikche. Ane we used a chart to see how we had improved. Ane pechu chi pa yens used pechu chi wara a chart zi dama tantang ane sirk tojong tende chinga zi pechu chi wa yin karela to see how we had improved. To see lan taya cheta how we improved lan nga zu khatsi chi ya ji chin sha te taya la ani tanda chart chi pe chu ta yens no de chi ani mangchuk ji ma de cloud za te ya mangchuk chi ani a cloud is a group of water drops in the sky. Cloud na bukina la timba che ani a cloud is a group of water drops in sky. The cloud said they considered a group of water drops and chitu mambo chokbachires in the sky. Nam nang chitu mambo chokbachires timba said nam nang chitu mambo chokbachires group said that chokba senare ta dupong senare tinjilan rogra odin sabata timba said chitu dupong kayang chitu dupong chires nam gi chitu dupong chires na the sky was filled with the white clouds. The sky was filled king with the white clouds. And Timbakabu king shards, Namka Timbakabu king shards at the Chirindwa. Teacher, comprehend, Sina, and the Chatsiji Chira. To comprehend something is to understand it. Landwa, the comprehend said the Kualumbala, comprehend, like to understand. Karimba and the Kualumbala, comprehend. To comprehend something is something kaya comprehend na to understand it. Tela kaya the shingu na tela comprehend. Yes. Henry could not comprehend the message. Henry is the Michikamara could not understand the Chibare Hakoya Mares and Henry Hakoya Mars. Henry could not go to your Mars could say the Kangi past tense Chira, Kangi and Chira. Henry could not comprehend the message. Henry go tandaga message don chambado chamba chantong do chambado tila message Henry gu tandan chambate gutsuyo mare understand chayo mare gutsuyo mare eskunta sekoro tachikchi tashachikchi ani niya de describe sekta yang shachikchi shachiki bakari shikizun dina we se de verb se de dutsigindo verb se de shachiki ba tanda to describe is to say or write something write to describe is to say or write what someone or something is like. Describes na pukin on deshi jaba setir deshi jaba setir tiko nora. That to describe is about to describe is to say or write. Ta kanya ronga chichu deshi chakayo na kicha chine shepa am say lang shepa rawa yana or zede yana sekorda or write and kicha shepa am tiwa. Kare korla some or something. And Kanza kaya rongwa chiki kor ram am zete ra di or zete tinto korwa kanza kaya rongwa chiki kor ram yana jangu kaya rongwa is like jangu kaya rongwa chiki kanri chiki yopa and shepa am drwa la and dishi chapa sakare mo am jangu kaya rongwa chiki kanran rawa yopa shepa am triwa la Drishija Basgares like is like the content of yoba. Something is like the Tabakaya Roach content of Yobandela is like the content of Tiva. This water. And the main Changui Nari Kaya Roach content of yoba Yobikur Kajashipam, content of Yobikur Tiva de la and it describes in a cigarettes. Drishija Bas in a cigarettes. They described their tree as colorful with the golden ribbons and the stars. Days and kuzu gora kuzu rishi chebare describe their tree la kuzu gora de shingdong de rishi chebare content of us la de content of chila rishi chebare na colorful and sondong number tawa and colorful the sondong number tawa de chila colorful segre kono sondong number tawa tang tawa chik tang with the money sondong number ta shingdong de nyam to senanda de with golden ribbons the 아주 지금 님바다도 담야 담타다고 지도와 어디들 그 rabbins 그래 golden rabbins 또 실기 담타다고 어디 지다 아니 dig golden 라이티 dig stars 에텔라야 냠도 크고 그래 and then 자요 코라얀 로탄도 golden rabbin and golden stars in the segore 어떻게 좀 코즈 코란도 행동대 간리로 진짜 되시자요 그래서 colorful 촌도 넘버 다 지다 golden ribbon and cirque 담도 요바지다 a golden star and cirque and karma yejo tendicila kuranto tishichapares they describe their tree as colorful with golden ribbon and a golden star dichi ani ever said ani dinaka adverb chagido adverb ki karchigiri chatsilan tishichapare ever means at any time titsu kayang rombachila titsu kayang rombachila ani ever sigres going skiing last winter was the most fun I ever had. Right? Going skiing lana ani kangshi chiganroya. Right? Kangshi to chimba. Atandila ing jiru skiing la zota going and zotama guarantee lan deshi chaga tata yang ti garma ta ting deshi chita dodo pokidan la kar sekunda last winter to nanang gangka chakarwa nanang gangka ni nana ganka kanjila chimbate was that the kanjila chimbate that was the read over the most fun I ever had and ngela chibu chung shu de yins ro ta bar to chibu chung na chibu shu de yins and the most fun chibu shu ro the most fun la the chibu shu and I've ever had nga tanda bar to chung we chibu shu de yins at the ani kanji la nana gunka last winter going skiing nana gunka kanji la chimbate ani ngala chipshu chung song za de poke na tejir na de chirawa I have ever had na ta part to I have ever had ta part to chipshu chung ate yes ya do o de ji chai do ani ti ji ki ma se te ga na failed la da fail la de cha ga to fail to tang fail zen cha chi fail zen lam thong ma chung wa ta ani o de ji la fail se ga to fail means you don't succeed in what you try to do. And to fail that the nantun kar the means that the nantun sikora you don't succeed la na chorangi mandrupa succeed la na mandrupa sikora you means you do not succeed in what you try to do. What you try to do la na kirangi kari chetzi yubate ani mandrupa la landru machungala ani failed like res succeed la na learn chungaro do not succeed lo learn ma chungaro ta do fail zete learn ma chungwa tindela and fail sigres since he failed to go to get the job since he failed to get the job koran la leka mara pa yinza to fail to get job likara barwa failed to get the job lika mara pare koran gi leka mara pa yinza he was sad. Koran semba chudi yores, koran semba chu yores, was la di past tense ro ati to koran semba chu yores to shikor. The chi ani tsigjima de friendly zati jensik chire adjective zati adjective ta adverb kharchi par kar yores nandila adverb chile so tangi ever zati ever zati kawando ever sende de adverb zati yeah, could adjective the adjective the adverb chipper carriers na adjective sayandigi ani mansiglan rishi jawata adverb sayandigi chatsiglan rishi jadin chirita adverb da adjective chipa ha ko so chi jimani yang yang se tin lan rishi jamma ko cha ngi wa china yakaro ti chi 단디 friendly sa te pokina karla nan chamtan dembing ani za do tani jila kwala nan tkare friendly is being behaving in a pleasant behaving lana chopa temba in a pleasant mijing ki ene yet onwa yet la ndruwa tinte ki ene chopa temba la friendly is a craze ra mijing pleasant lana chipo chwa da mijing yet onwa tinte la pleasant sir da behaving zib da chopa temba ra 아니 friendly즈한테 미징게 예동 외쳐 받던발라 friendly즈그래 참보치나 미징게 동그러 어딘데로 그래다 복기는 태진루지나 friendly즈는 참보 안에로 딘디질란로 그래 아니 behaving in a pleasant a kind way towards someone kind lana chamseden barwa way lana lamni ra chamseden bi lamni toward others toward jingi chola ro someone lana kanza kanya rong rong chi chola ani chamseden bi kanza kanya rong la ani chamseden ba chiwa den do chila ani friendly sigores the friendly animals come up to the girl. Friendly animals at the dimba simchi imba taba friendly animals taba ani chamse dembi senare ani mission ki yedong senare on tindigi ani simchen tezo come up to the girl ani pomonti ki ndela tleares damla leare up to the yal the girl the pomon serwa come up to the ani pomonti tela ya leares come up to the girl ani pomonti sala ya leares come up la zama yarita odiche ani grad zade ta poquito dat mantik chatsik jensik tu nani ko mantik jirindo grade zade poquito nani jachando chita ani rimbando ta trilando ta parde chita te seondo a plus trijando ta ta iksi tu koran tu inji ki tu iksi ki trimdi tu tayin ba na a te yashiti b te ani niwa te c te samba d e tu dugar karsa ko rimba mashundo ro 일단 nga poke ko ni poke se ma nga tsu nga ran tsu lu shur ki ni ji ja cha cha tang so yin an tang bo tse ji se an ro ta an sam ba ni wa se an ro ten do o ti zon ro chi o ja cha cha tang do ji grade se te a grade is a score or mark given to someone's work grade se na grade se te scores ta man dire ka tang ro grade se te ka tang am yana mark giving ta tende marks tangdo reda ta a b c lan to jabdu ta tangdo chi jawara ta grade zya ta yana carton jakare yamana chon tangdo tangbo nyo ben chon tangdo tende jakare karela jakare to someone's work kaza kaya ronga chi kilika inda lika ga chi pitse na re ne lobjong pitse na tende la someone's works karwa ta grade zya ta yamana carton te ya ta yamana ta abc gin chon tang jaya gi tende chi res kare chi do jakare makaya rong someone's work makanza kaya rong chiki likala ani tindike chiki tamsen jaya ta karma to ya tindi res manage to get good grades manage to landam chi thup sungda zinge tindi chilando gore to get good grades ani jacha yakbo ro thup sungza manage to get good grades ngi gi re manage to get good grades to the ngala jacha yakbo ro thup sungza get lana rek parwa kurtana yakborwa on my report card ani ngi nyenshu ki ani ta card se na so shoshan ro chirenda on my report card ngi nyenshu ki shoshan tola ani jacha yakborwa song za ta po korang nyenshu japatela jacha yakbo chite yo jara pen a plus ro ta b ro ta te yo jara then I managed to get good grades la zamba ngan jacha yakborwa ta song on my report card la zamba ngi nyenshu ki shoshan te tola 아니 단다기 자체야 보라서 온세 된다지 아니다 instead도 instead add for friend도 instead some tablas 해치들이 가서는 tabla 치키 tabla 니키 tabla에 지어라 어들 instead 보기는 다 쿠기 되난도 가르쳐서는 instead 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 means in spite of some place of in place of some the instead is some chitang place na sajarita tandandila in place of some chikitsavla asigorante in place of some kaya ro chikitsavtindela and instead la ne lagres means nangtun zetranga nangtun zero tindila nando means that he ate the carrot instead of the ice cream. He ate the carrot cookie and this lapuksawa restaurant. He ate the carrot. Ra lapuk marbulan rogda inch mich carrot rade latuk marbulan rogde. Lapuk karbudela radish lagranga injita mologa ranga thomala lapuk lagu mara Lapuk marble decided he ate the carrot instead of the ice cream. Instead no tabla imba instead of ice cream. And chakba chirigi tabla lapuk marble savare se tichagdwa tichi ani library. Library is tamba pokinoni and tichi pinzuchi tandi imbaro mangtski imbaro and jamshandwa. Ani a library is a place where you go to read. Ani library said sajajires sajatela where said sajatela no chagre you go to read. Ani chorang table kando sag sajajires and tinding de chayoro you go to read. Chorang table kando sajajires go to read books. Go to read books. Ani the laboratory at school is full of books.